see. How's the shoot today, bro? Nice. He's gonna be part of my vlog forever, as long as we continue this company. G. Since you don't eat the curry, I will do the honor of taking all your calories.
There you go.
Thanks.
Get fat, bitch.
Okay, we'll see in 6 months' time. Marcus is cutting rib body. How was your sleep, bro?
It was great. I was dreaming.
Anyway, we are here for our second shoot. Same client, but second shoot. Off to my third appointment of the day. So yeah, let's go, man. In terms of all the other, but it's too expensive.
10 years of visa.
If you do US, right?
ဒီ question တွေကတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ link လုပ်ထားရမယ်ဗျာပြီးတော့ရှင်
Okay
ပြီးတော့မှ check
等一下
ဒါပေမဲ့
我再
အဓိကကဘာလို့လဲဆိုတော့ natural ဖြစ်ရမယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့နှစ်ယောက်လုံးပြောနေတဲ့အချိန်မှာပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ရဲ့ကိုယ့်ရဲ့စိတ်ထဲကလာတဲ့ဟာဖြစ်ရမယ်ပြင်မကျွန်တော်တို့အခုကကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီနိုင်ငံတစ်ခုကိုရောက်နေပြီသားဗျာစင်ကာပူနိုင်ငံမှာအကုန်လုံး settle ဖြစ်ပြီးသွားပြီဒါပေမဲ့မြန်မာပြည်မှာရှိတဲ့လူတွေကြတော့သူတို့မှာရွေးပိုင်ခွင့်ရှိသေးတယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ကမရွေးတော့ဘူးကျွန်တော်တို့ရွေးချယ်လိုက်ပြီကျွန်တော်စင်ကာပူမှာလာမယ်စင်ကာပူမှာနေမယ်စင်ကာပူမှာလုပ်မယ်ဆိုပြီးရွေးချယ်လိုက်ပြီသူတို့ကြောက်ရွေးချယ်ရင်ရွေးချယ်ရသေးတဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မလို့သူတို့စီမှာရွေးချယ်ခွင့်တွေရှိတယ်အဲ့တော့ဒါပေမဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့ရဲ့ဒီအခု company ကဒီရွေးချယ်တစ်ခုဆိုတဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့ကလို့မရောင်းမင်းနဲ့တော့ပြ
ပြီးတော့ဘာလို့ဒီနေရာကိုရွှေ့တင်လဲ
ရွှေ့တင်တယ်အဲ့ဒါအဓိကတော့တခြားနိုင်ငံတွေလည်းအများကြီးရှိတာပဲတဲ့ကိုရီးယားသွားတဲ့လူတွေလည်းအများကြီးပဲဂျပန်သွားတဲ့လူတွေလည်းအများကြီးပဲထိုင်းမှာဆိုတပြုံကြီးပဲတဲ့စင်ကာပူမှာလည်းကျွန်တော်တို့စင်ကာပူလာတဲ့လူတွေလည်းအများကြီးပဲဒါပေမဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့ဘက်ကကျတော့ဘာတွေပြောပြရမလဲဆိုတော့ okay ဒါပေမဲ့ now option ကိုကဒီဘိုင်းမှာလည်းတစ်ခုရှိမယ်တဲ့ပြီးတော့ဈေးအရင်ပေါ်တယ်ပြီးတော့တခြားနိုင်ငံတွေနဲ့မတူတာ tax မရှိတာတို့
လုံခြုံမှုရှိတာ
လုံခြုံမှုရှိတယ်10နှစ်ရမယ်တဲ့အဲ့လိုမျိုးဟာလေအကုန်လုံးကိုပြောပြရမယ်they find job for them but it's 2 years but it's it's quite expensive if you
is it?
I mean like if they were to work 10 years it's more expensive than what we are selling right now so if you combine it right it's a lot more
So like whatever that he's saying now, we don't have to bring out like competitors all this, right? But we can talk about from our angle, like okay, this visa we are getting 10 years. Then we talk about what is.
Okay, so final appointment is done. I just need to go back home, make sure everything is in place and start filing things, and then work on my own stuff. But I'm like really sleepy and tired right now, but it's still too early for me to sleep, so I'm just gonna crying until like 10 p.m. and then go to bed. Alright guys, so today's a very eventful day. 2 separate shoots and a meeting all done. Like I said, I still have a lot of things to do on my back end, but this is one of our biggest paying client, so we gotta do our job well. We gotta hit the numbers. We gotta do a really good job so that we can keep the partnership running and sustain the business. And at the same time, I think we are learning a lot through us being there physically and us shooting personally, so that we know what's good, what's bad, what we have to take note of. I've said it in the past vlogs. We want to give this a 1 year runway, and then after 1 year we probably want to automate this, hire people, ask them to do all these, and then we focus more towards building relationship and do sales. So that's the end goal for our 2025. So yeah, so far it's been going really well. We are investing a lot back in the equipment. Now we are focusing more on getting more Sony cameras, so that everything looks the same. Not we don't have to spend so much time color grading. So yeah, ecosystem, the word is Sony ecosystem. So yeah, basically we'll be getting FX3, FX30. We're still deciding. Marcus now have a A6 700, and I'm using the A7C. So yeah, everything is coming well. We are acquiring more clients now, and our current clients, they are referring us to more clients, and then yeah, all we have to do is close. So yeah, it's gonna be a really busy months from now on until end of year. Hopefully we can automate this and don't have to be there personally like today, because it was super tiring. But yeah, I think we did well. Now back to the laptop and more work. Alright guys, this is all done for today. I'm going to bed now. Tomorrow I have a really exciting long run with some of my friends early in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna sleep early and rest well tonight. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. So lesson of the day: no matter how prepared you are, sometimes this is just part of the business. So what happened is I sent a marketing proposal, marketing deck for this outlet. Came here, requested for a shoot today, and they say yes 3 times. And when I came down today, they're not here. Even when the chef wanted to help out, they don't have enough ingredients for it. So this is just part of the business, I guess. They're not ready, but they did apologize, and they say they want to meet me next week to do the shoot, and give me a free beer. But it's actually it's not worth my time. These are the things that kind of, I wouldn't say stress, but at the same time these are the things that bothers me quite a lot. I mean, this is not the first time. This will happen a lot of times with a lot of people. You just have to filter out these people, and yeah, just go with it, just live with it, and then yeah, just do your thing, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this beer, and then go gym, go for a run, and then do some editing later on. This is the type of place where you'll find really nice coffee. Wow guys, look at that layer of fats. I think it's about to start pouring.
But well, I need to hit my 5k, so here we go. Haven't done a run like this for so long. I was going for 5:30 pace, 5 km, because I used to run my 5 km in that pace, but I haven't done that in a while, so I just give it a try. At the last 500, I was out of breath, man. But we came in at 5:14. Not bad. Whew. So the takeaway from this run is recovery, guys. You know, I've been recording my runs and I can definitely see that when I have a well-rested day, my performance are better. And yeah, even a few hours of sleep can determine, the diet can determine a lot. So in the future, I really need to be, you know, looking into these aspects. Whew. I hit my PR again. I don't know how, but yeah, I think mine was 5:30 and I just did 5:14. So but I you know, feel the same way as I was running 5:30. Whew. Good run, guys, good run. Basically, I'm back to my 100 km per month schedule. And yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is there's a race coming up, 2XU, on 27 April, and yeah, I have some goals that I want to hit. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the training going and yeah, keep posting up, keep showing up here on YouTube. Wow. And one more thing, I think 100 km per month is not enough, because me and June, we decided to go for ultra marathon in Bali in August. So I think we should be hitting more than 100 km per month. But yeah, for this month, let's just start with 100 km and then yeah, increase progressively. We're gonna be so dead in August. So I think today was a very unproductive day just because of one client, but anyway, what's done is done. So yeah, we just move on from there. Anyway, I started doing this kind of vlogs because of one guy, Daniel Dalen, and yeah, I think what he's doing now is incredible. But what my story is totally different from him. But I think I have my own stories to tell, and yeah, I think my story will be a little, you know, is interesting in its own way because of my background itself and how I started doing YouTube as well. So yeah, slowly I will start talking about all these as well, because I think it's really fun to document like this and, you know, just share my stories with all of you guys. And I think what he's doing is also incredible. So that's how I got inspired and why I started doing this kind of vlogs. Yeah, so basically I started YouTube doing magic, which I was doing that in high school. That's how I created an account and then started posting videos. And then I got really into travel vlogging, making travel content, and I do quite a lot. I mean, I still have quite a lot of like very decent, like honestly really decent travel content on this channel. And yeah, mainly after COVID, when I went back to Myanmar, my main goal was to, you know, showcase Myanmar to the world, because there's not a lot of vloggers who are, you know, showcasing Myanmar in general. And now when I'm back to Singapore, I continue vlogging because, you know, I wanted to let my family see my lifestyle, my growth, you know, and all my relative and everyone back in Myanmar, that, you know, if you work hard enough, things can actually happen for you. Because
I come from a really very poor background, but I think with all my family's hard work and my hard work, we have reached to a point where I am no longer working under someone. I have started my own business a couple of times, failed a couple of times, but that doesn't push me away, and I'm still here out in not my own country. I'm out in Singapore, which is one of the most expensive city in the world to live in. So yeah, I'm nothing compared to the guy that I'm like inspired to. Like he's doing like 9 figures, 10 figures, right, whatsoever. But in my own story, I think this is something that I can tell to especially Burmese people that I can grow as well. I'm doing 5 figures, and the next step will be 6, and the next step will be 7, 8, and definitely I have a dream to get there. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys. Hopefully a lot of my future ventures won't be a failure, and I'm working hard towards that as well, not to fail, because I think I've done clothing line, I've done craft beer. Craft beer wasn't my doing, it's some political issues back in Myanmar, so can't help with that. But yeah, I'm back in craft beer industry in Singapore, so hopefully that goes well as well. Doing marketing agency and all that, so yeah, hopefully I can add things up, share with at first my family, friends, that this is possible, and yeah, just wanna prove it to them. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is why I have been doing this kind of vlogs. So yeah, I just thought that since this vlog is gonna be a short one, I just thought that it would be a good idea, a good timing to share it with you guys. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.